step into the Kia 2018 Stinger GT2. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel and automatic transmission. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.